Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So now I'll show you that I can unblock the device with my fingerprint, because I set up my fingerprint scan here to this scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device a couple of times and we will see how far this photo is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the scanner or the fingerprint scanner works here really fast, and now we can just unlock the device less than 1 second. But be sure always that you just hold the fingerprint, the scanner here, because if you do this by just by touch the fingerprint. So as can you see, I can unlock the device now. Just hold it and you'll just directly activate the home screen here. And just don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.